this video we go through with OAuth Manager tutorial. Here you could see the first part you could replace with your gateway address. Then it's support number 8443 and preceding is the address of OAuth Manager. You need to log in with your user ID and password that you created during the installation of this layer 7 API gateway. I have provided my ID and password here for admin. When I click login, it's login successfully. The first tab is related to clients. Here are some test clients available that we created, that we imported during the OAuth toolkit installation. In tokens tab, you could see the information of all the tokens that are issued. Here you could see the options available for revoking this token, or you can temporarily disable this one. In this video, we'll go through how to register a new client here. We can click here, register a new client button over here. Then here we need to provide client name, organization, description, whatsoever is defined here. Here I have provided sample client name, organization name as my channel name here. Then the description registered by is here. Client type you could select as public and confidential. Here I'm keeping this as confidential. For this key, it's auto-generated, no need to change this client key, and client secret keys are issued by OAuth Manager. Scope is OOB. If your scope is different, you can define it over here. Then you click on register button. You could see test client registered successfully, and if you go to this clients tab again, you would see a test clients here. As you could see, it's registered. This way we can register new clients. Thank you.